In this video we're going to look at putting a Microsoft Word page onto a Canvas page. So we're going to look at two ways of doing it. First we'll just copy and paste directly, and then we'll do a better way, which is to convert the page to HTML and then copy to the Canvas page. So we'll just start with the basic way just so we can compare it. So I'll open up my Word file and I'll just copy and paste. So I go to my where I want the page to be. I click edit, right, and then just paste and then save. Right, now let's have a look at this. So here's what I wanted. I wanted an image. I wanted different formatting. I wanted different sizes of text. I wanted the table to be in the middle of the page and all sorts of things. And then when I just copied and pasted, I lost a whole bunch of formatting. All of the font is the same size. Nothing is tabbed to the right. The table is in the left instead of in the center. On the left instead of the center of the page and all that. So the best way we have, which is still not perfect, is to first convert the Word to HTML and then copy to a Canvas page. Now everything would be hunky-dory if we could open up Word and somehow, using the Word tools, view this as a HTML page. But unfortunately we cannot. With the new Microsoft Word you can't do that. So what we have to do is, basically there is no HTML code, direct HTML code for Microsoft Word. So what you got to do is you've got to open the Word document as a web page and then have a look at the HTML code and then put it into Canvas. So that's what we're going to do. So you take your Microsoft Word document, you click on File and you click on Save As. Okay, and you save this. Look at the drop down menu, Save as Type. You save as a web page, not a web page filtered, that wouldn't help. A web page. Okay, then you click Save, right, and then just get out of here, because you should have saved that on your desktop or something. I'll just go over that again. File, Save As, and then the drop down menu, Save as a web page. Okay, and you can see I'm saving mine in the desktop, and it's gonna be called Syllabus. Okay, and if I just get out of Word, okay, if I just get out of Word and I go to my desktop, you'll see that I've got this page called Syllabus. That's Google Chrome, and if I click on that, it opens up as Google Chrome. Okay, and if I was using this, I wanted to see the HTML code, I would simply click on the three bars here and I would go to Tools, and then I'd click on View Source, and then I could copy this HTML code and use that. So let's imagine we were using, we had saved it as Safari. So let's say I saved it as a web page in a browser. I usually uses Safari, and so you're going to see this. So you'll open it up, then it'll be a Safari page. And what you need in Safari is you need to click on this little page button here, and you go down and you click on View Source, and that will show you the HTML code. So you need that code. So we'll do that again. You click on the little page button, go down, click on View Source, and then highlight all that, copy it, and then you go to Canvas and you want to put that code into the Canvas page. So click Edit, and there's just one other step we've got to do. We've got to click on HTML Editor, the Rich Content Editor. Click on HTML Editor, paste the HTML code, and then if you click on Visual Editor you'll be able to see it, and then you click on Save. Okay, and now you can see your page that the formatting is a little better. Again, it's not perfect, like the image didn't go through. So if you have images that you want to put on a Canvas page, you've got to upload them onto Canvas and then manually put each image in yourself. So unfortunately, there is no perfect way to convert Word to Canvas, but this is the best way we have. So this was the copy and paste directly, where pretty much no formatting came over. And this is when we converted to Word and we copied and pasted, and we got some formatting, so it's better. And hopefully most of the pages you're going to need to put into Canvas, you know, that this method should work for almost everything you're going to do, although obviously not images. And I'll just quickly go over what happens if you're not using Safari. So we already looked at getting the source code for Google Chrome. Why not just do that really quickly again? So if you're using Google Chrome, you click on the three bars here, you go down to Tools, and then you go down to View Source. See that? This is Google Chrome, and now you copy that and you go to your Canvas page, and you edit, and you go to HTML editor, and you put your HTML code here, then you click on Visual Editor, and then you save. Right? Let's have a look. What do we do if we have Internet Explorer? So if you saved your document, your Word, as a web page and you're using Internet Explorer, okay, to get the source code, you've got to go Page and then View Source down here, and then you copy that and you put it in as we've shown by going to Edit and HTML Editor and paste your code in there. What happens? What do you do if you're using Firefox? If you're using Firefox, if you saved your Microsoft Word page as a web page and you're using Firefox, okay, your page is going to look like this. Just one second. Here it is. And you've got to go to let's see, Tools, Web Developer, Page Source. I'll just do that again, and then you copy that code and put it into Canvas. So I'll do that again. If you're in Firefox, you're going to Tools, you're going to Web Developer, you're going to Page Source. Okay, then copy that, and again put that into the Canvas page, but you got to make sure you click on the HTML editor and then paste the code in there.